My name's Andy Saunders. I'm one of the founder members of Eastleigh Men Shed. Eastleigh Men Shed is a group of generally retired men. We do have a couple of guys that come in spaces in their working life. And it's a social thing. It's getting older people out of isolation. Many retired men, particularly widowers, miss the banter of the workplace, and we provide that. Alongside it, we've got a workshop where lots of projects for community jobs come along, mainly woodwork, but we do electrical repairs, furniture repairs, and pretty much anything that comes our way, there's somebody in the group that's got the skills to tackle it. The most of us that started up, we saw an article and it mentioned the UK organisation, which we all contacted, and they put us in touch with each other. We ended up with 4 of us, got together in a pub on a regular basis. We searched for ages to find a location. And once we got the location, we started to build. You know, you see now what we built. A 40-foot workshop, 15-foot wide, and full of tools.
I started my working life as an apprentice coppersmith and did various welding and fabrications and air conditioning. And in my final years, I worked as a cellar services engineer in the brewery trade, installing and maintaining beer pumps. So I've done all sorts of different things, so mainly working with metal or pipe work. I've learnt a lot of new skills here, I must admit, you know, so from some of the other people that come here, and that's what it's all about. So we do teach people to do things.
Okay, so we've now come into the workshop. Behind me you can see the guys working away on various projects, using all the different tools we've got. You know, we've got pretty much everything we need for woodworking. Siding miter saw, band saw, router table, drill press, etc. The building we're in was actually built from scratch by us. Tools around the workshop, a lot have come from donations from people whose husbands have deceased, etc., or they've just upgraded. And some of the really good stuff are being donated by actual tool manufacturers, the main one being Evolution.
You're meeting up with fellow people who want to do the same sort of things, get back to in the working environment more than anything, but not on a full-time basis. Plus it's good for people's mental health and that, to meet people, because a lot of men when they retire just sit and do nothing, and they just can't cope with it. They come up here and it gives them a release from that. As well as the workshop, we've got a wood store where we keep bits of wood in. We've got a little lean-to here. We've got bigger bits of timber in that we've just been given, but we haven't allocated to a job yet or anything.
If you fancy joining the Men's Shed, the best thing to do is go to the national website, UK MSA, United Kingdom Men's Shed Association, and you'll find a map there. You can type your postcode in, and it'll bring up all the little shed icons all over the map. There's 600 of them, so you should have one close to you now. Contact them and they'll probably welcome you in. Thanks for visiting Eastleigh Men's Shed today. Hope you've enjoyed it. We've enjoyed having you here. If you want to follow us and see what other projects we get up to, please click on the link.